In my last video, I showed you how to create an Unreal Engine project and integrate it with a Wwise project. Assuming you've done that, we'll take a look at what options are available to you now in Unreal that weren't available before. Using the Wwise launcher, open your Unreal project. You can do this from the Epic Games launcher, but I prefer to use the Wwise launcher as you can launch both the Wwise project and the Unreal project from the same place. Go ahead and open the Wwise project as well. In Unreal, the first thing you'll notice is that here we have the Wwise Picker. If you don't see the Wwise Picker, select the window menu at the top of the screen and check the Wwise Picker option. The Wwise Picker shows us game objects that exist in Wwise. For instance, if I go into Wwise and create an event, as soon as I click Save, it will automatically appear in the Wwise Picker. I'm just going to create a folder to keep my directory clean, then I can drag and drop this into the content browser for use in Unreal. If you're familiar with working with sound cues in Unreal, you could think of an event from Wwise like you do a sound cue. Staying within the content browser, if you right-click to bring up the context menu, there's now an AudioKinetic sub-menu. If you watch my next video, we'll use the AudioKinetic bank to load our sound bank from Wwise into Unreal. Next to the Wwise actor classes, look to the actor browser, which you should see on the left upper part of your Unreal screen. Select all classes and you see a complete list of all available actors, which now includes 5 new AK or AudioKinetic actors, which allow Unreal to send game calls to Wwise. If you're familiar with working with ambient sound actors within Unreal, you would now need to use an AK ambient sound actor if you want to trigger your ambient sound from Wwise. We'll look at this in my next video. I'm not going to talk about the other actors, as in this video I'm just giving you a brief overview of what new options the Wwise Unreal integration has given us. Lastly are the Wwise blueprint functions. Open the level blueprint using the blueprint icon at the top, select Open Level Blueprint. Right-click to search the actions list, deselect Context Sensitive and search AudioKinetic. We can see that we have a lot of new AudioKinetic or AK actions in the list. So where before you might have used Unreal blueprint nodes to work with sound cues and other sound assets in Unreal, now we're using Wwise blueprint objects to work with Wwise events and other game objects from Wwise. And that's it really for a general overview of what's new having integrated Wwise with Unreal. In my next video, we'll take a look at loading a sound bank from Wwise and playing a sound using an AK ambient sound actor.